Hi everybody, Coach Shane here. Welcome to E Cubed, number 1262. By the way, I never introduced myself. My name is Coach Shane. I've been teaching English for 38 and a half years, according to this here. A really, really long time. I love to help people build their speaking skills and their listening skills. And you can get a free lesson with me. Just go to letsmasterenglish.com, sign up for the newsletter, or down in the comments section, just type lesson and we'll reach out to you, okay? All right, today's expression, grinds my gears. I hope I didn't just grind your gears. Let's check out a dialogue and then I'll explain. Where's Tom?
He just called. Can't make it.
Again? Every time with this guy.
Yep, he really grinds my gears.
So I think the dialogue, if you understood the dialogue, that will give you a good idea of what basically grinds my gears means. But I'll explain so you'll never forget. So first of all, where is Tom? Where's Tom? Tom is a guy's name. Where's Tom? He just called, yep, Tom here. He just called, can't make it. Grammatically, he, Tom, can't make it. So these two guys, they're waiting for Tom. Where is Tom? Oh, he just called, he can't make it, which means he can't come. He's not going to attend the meeting or whatever's happening. He can't make it. He won't be here. Again? It's not the first time. Every time with this guy. Every time we have a meeting, every time we agree to meet, he cancels. Last minute, everybody's here, we're waiting on Tom, he cancels. Every time. Yep. He really grinds my gears. Grinds my gears. He really makes me mad. Oh, this guy. Now let me explain exactly what grinds my gears means. This is such a good expression. So nowadays, you know, it's 2025 when I make this video, and electric vehicles are very popular. So if you have an electric vehicle, you don't understand. Most people drive an automatic transmission. You know, you put the car in drive and then you just go. Some of you might have a standard where you have to use a shifter to change the gears in your car. A long time ago, lots of people had that. First gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear, if you had a big engine, reverse, neutral, right? These are gears, okay? So a gear is like a wheel with teeth, right? And here's another wheel with teeth, okay? So when the gears are, like in a watch, sometimes in an old style watch, you have gears too. So when the gears are working together, the teeth of the gears fit perfectly. Oh, it's very nice. Okay, you can see the teeth, everything fits perfectly, okay? But if you have experience driving a standard transmission, a car where you have to shift the gears, some people sometimes when they go from first gear to second gear, it should sound like it should sound like that. But sometimes it's like because the gears are not being perfect, the gears are meeting like this, and when they meet like this, does that sound good? Oh, it sounds horrible. It drives you crazy. It's, oh my God. And you're breaking the gears. You could be destroying the engine. Oh God, don't do that. Oh. If something grinds your gears, it drives you crazy. It makes you mad. It just makes you go insane. Oh, it's grinding. It's like a long time ago, the chalkboard, you can scratch. It makes you go crazy. Well, this grind your gears is a bit different because it makes you mad. Mad. The fingers on the chalkboard, it's just, it's weird. Grind your gears is different. It means mad. What is something that grinds your gears? Can you think of something? Well, when I suppose that when you watch a video like this and you hear me or somebody else say, hey, go to my website, get my free lessons, does that grind your gears? Or when you start a video and there's an advertisement, right? There's a commercial, does that grind your gears? I understand, but hey, I'm introducing you to my lessons because they actually work. I can't control the commercials. I've tried to make some of my videos free. YouTube puts commercials on them anyway. I don't know why they do that if you're watching on YouTube. Anyway, that grinds my gears. When YouTube puts an advertisement on my video without me allowing it, that grinds my gears. Anyway, it's a great expression. And once again, if you join my classes, we actually help you. We give one-on-one to everybody. Yeah, and it's so inexpensive. Why? Because we have a good system. Try a lesson for free, letsmasterenglish.com, or down below write lesson, and somebody will reach out to you. I don't know how. I don't do that stuff, but somebody will. It's magic somehow. Anyway, if it doesn't work, I'll be back and you can leave a message. Okay, so I want you to repeat after me. Grinds my gears. That guy really grinds my gears. When they do that, it really grinds my gears. Don't grind my gears, all right? All right, check out the dialogue 2 more times and together, let's master English. Where's Tom?
He just called. Can't make it.
Again? Every time with this guy.
Yep, he really grinds my gears.
Where's Tom?
He just called. Can't make it.
Again? Every time with this guy.
Yep, he really grinds my gears.